there anyone here who never had a dream while sleeping? I think no, right? Yeah. A dream is a sequence of thoughts, images, and sensations that passing through a person's mind. Experts say that everybody dreams, but even though some people say they don't dream, but actually they dream, but they don't remember their dreams. So we remember some dreams and we forget other. So it actually depends on which phase of sleep we are when we wake up. So people are more likely to remember their dreams if they dream in the REM phase of sleep. REM phase means rapid eye movement phase. In this phase, our brain activity increases to the same level as when we are awake. And I'm one among those people who can't sleep without a dream. So I may not remember each and every dream, but whenever I wake up, I feel that I had a dream. So how many of you here heard about the movie Lucy or Inception? These movies are about lucid dreaming. In lucid dreaming, the dreamer has a greater aspect of degree of control on their participation in the dreams, and they can manipulate their imaginary experiences in the dream. Scientists invented a medicine for this lucid dreaming. If I get this medicine, I just want to see how it could be my sleep without dream. Okay. So there is a common point in both the movies. They keep on dreaming and dreaming. Finally, they confuse between real life and the dream life. So interestingly, it happened so many times in my life. I felt like I woke up and I got ready and I went to the class, and interestingly, I was listening to. But after 1 or 2 hours, I used to realize that the lecture was going on in the class, but I was sleeping on the bed still. So coming to reason for existence of dreams. So there certain reason for dreaming is not yet found, but there has been a lot of research is going on over 100 years, and they came up with some set of results. People will dream 4 to 6 times in night time, and that count may reach to 10 also. So this vary in length from 5 to 10 minutes in the first phase of REM sleep to as long as 30 to 35 minutes later in the night time. So on an average, we dream for 6 years in the whole life, considering whole life is 100 years indeed. So are your dreams come in color or black and white? How many? 80% of the dreams come in color. If you have negative emotions and sadness in your dreams, don't feel that something wrong is going with your life. The research says that the most common feeling that we encounter is anxiety, and negative emotions are much more common than positive emotions. So there are 5 stages of sleep. In the first phase of sleep, it's a light sleep, and the next phase, second phase, we go into slightly deeper sleep, and the phases 3 and 4 represent the deepest sleep. In the deepest sleep, we gradually our brain waves slow down, and they reach to delta brainwave state. Delta brainwaves means the slowest brain waves, and about 90 minutes after we go to sleep, we encounter the 5th stage. It's REM phase, and this phase is characterized by movement of our eyes. And this phase, so many physiological changes also takes place, like heartbeat increases and blood pressure increases, and we don't have any control on our body temperature, and our body brain waves increase to the same level as when we are awake. However, the rest of the body is essentially paralyzed by releasing a hormone called glycine. Otherwise, let's suppose you are just sleeping to the next someone who is dreaming about kickball. playing kickball, then you are the luckiest one. So I'm going to give you 3 interesting rules that you can say how you can remember your dreams. The first rule is put a book and pen beside your bed. The second rule is and put alarm for every 3 hours in the night. And the third rule is whenever alarm rings, if you feel you have any dream, just note it down and sleep it. If anyone practice this, please let me know the result, because I have never done this. And scientific research says it is healthy to dream. Our dreams are like windows to our soul. So they enable us to understand ourselves better, and they help you make decisions well. So sleep more, dream big, and live bigger. Thank you.